Hi guys, it's Lara. Thanks for watching and welcome back to my channel. Today I will show you how I gave my old jeans a makeover and how I turned them into a skirt. Or I should rather say into 3 versions of a skirt, because whenever I was finished I still found something that was bugging me and it ended up being the 3rd version that I was actually happy with. But that's okay, because this way you will see a few more ideas what additional details you could add to your jeans, or if you would turn them into a skirt. And if that's something you're interested in, then please keep watching. Here is what the jeans originally look like. So I usually wear size either 28 or 29 depending on the cut, but these were size 27, so definitely too small. First I decided on the skirt's length. I accounted for a seam allowance and then I drew lines with a sewing crayon. And then I cut the pants accordingly, and to be safe I added about ½ an inch on the bottom. And then it looked like this. As a next step I started opening the crotch stitches. Once that was done, I opened the middle stitches on the back to about the middle of my butt. I pinned the back parts together and then I cut back the excess fabric. Later I have sewn the back together with a straight stitch, and then I folded the seam to one side and I have sewn it in place. Next, I opened the stitches up to the zipper. And then I removed all the little threads as well as possible. I placed the left side over the right side and I pinned it in place. Once that was done, I was left with a triangular opening on both the bottom edge in the back and in the front. So first I folded the sides inwards and pinned them in place. And then I needed something to fill the spaces with. For that I cut off small piece of one of the leg parts that I still had left from the jeans, and I placed it underneath the back gap. Once I positioned it, I knew how much fabric I would need, so I could cut the piece accordingly. And I pinned it in place. And then I did the same for the front part. And then I have sewn the pieces in, so on the back with always 2 rows of a straight stitch. And same goes for the front. Once that was done, I closed the fly and I folded the skirt so that the side seams would be aligned, and I pinned the skirt together on several places. And then I trimmed the bottom edge. As always, I made sure that the skirt would remain longer in the back, because that always looks better, especially if your bum is a little bit rounder, because your butt would lift the skirt and you don't want to end up having a skirt that would be shorter in the back than in the front. Once that was done, I folded the bottom edge twice inwards and I have pinned it in place. Here is what it looked like. And as a last step, I have sewn through the bottom edge with stretchy straight stitch. And then the first version of my skirt was finished and it looked like this. If these were jeans that would have fit me perfectly, I wouldn't have to change anything, but unfortunately it was still a little bit too tight, so I had to make a few more changes. Fortunately, I still had both leg parts that I could use for further adjustments. Here we have the skirt after I prepared it for the makeover of my makeover. So my problem was that the skirt was a little bit too tight around this area, and that was because I had limited amount of fabric and the leg parts of the jeans were a bit too tight for me because, as I mentioned, these jeans were actually a size too small. And what it did was, whenever I put the skirt on, since this section fit perfectly, but this was a little bit too tight, it would kind of pull and push, and it would always push this part a bit higher up and it would bulge out, and I literally had a fold here below the zipper section, and that just did not look good. So I have decided to open the skirt again and to kind of extend this section so that it would be wider, and the skirt would not be then as tight on the bottom as it was. It would have almost an A shape. So I opened this section in a V shape, and I measured, when I put the skirt on, how far these things should be apart, and then I cut out of a spare piece of denim this triangle. For the triangle, I used one of the leg parts, and I also used this side seam. So the way the side seam is folded here is that's the edge where my fingers are, and I made a line below it about that far, and this is where I cut the fabric apart. And when I opened it, I had a section wide enough in order to have this triangle. And then I frayed the bottom out, and that's how I created this fringe. I also wanted to give the triangle an extra touch, so that's why I have sewn through in several rows, and I have created this pattern on it. For sewing through, I have been using a denim thread. This thread is a little bit thicker than the regular sewing thread that I'm using. And when I was sewing through, I was using a regular straight stitch, and I made it a little bit longer because I thought it would look good. One thing I will do before I will pin in the triangle is to make sure that both sides are the same length. So I'm just gonna fold the skirt here in the middle and measure both sides. That looks really good. So now I will put in the triangle, and I want to have the edge so that the seam of the bottom edge of the skirt will align with this seam, with the bottom seam on the edging. And I want to use this line as a guide. This is where I want to align the side of the skirt. You want to make sure that the triangle is pinned nicely flat inside of the skirt so that you wouldn't have any folds here. And now I will put the skirt on and make sure that now everything fits the way I want to, because I kind of want to be done with this. And this is the final result. I have sewn the triangle in 2 rows of straight stitch, and the skirt is now wider from my hips down. And here's what the skirt looked like after this makeover. Little did I know at this point that this is not gonna be the end. I had one additional idea how to improve the skirt, because it still was quite tight here and I had really hard time putting my hands inside of the pocket, and I really had to squeeze myself in, and I didn't like that. So I opened the side seams and I added pieces of denim also to the sides, and I made the same quilting that I have here on this triangle in the middle. And now it's definitely way more comfortable because it's easier to put the skirt on, and you can see I can easily put my hands inside of the pockets, And yeah, I just don't feel like I squeezed myself in. And one additional detail, since now this skirt had so much work done, I added also on one of the back pockets my signature crest. Alright, so here we have it. I really hope this is the final version. But at the end, I'm actually really happy about how it went, because now I have these quilted details and they definitely add a little extra to the skirt so that it doesn't look like any other denim skirt. And since now the size fits also the way it should be, I feel super comfortable in the skirt. And I've been actually wearing the skirt for the past 1.5 weeks almost daily. Admittedly, this ended up being way more work than what I originally planned, but I'm still really happy about that. I don't like wasting stuff, and I rather put in some extra work and make the piece what I want to, even though it's gonna take a little bit longer than planned, but then I'm 100% happy with it and I wouldn't waste the piece or the fabric. And that is it for today. I hope that you guys enjoyed today's video. Thank you all so much for watching and see you soon with my next project. Bye!